What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jay here with a tutorial on how to easily remove the background from a photo or template using Crello. Crello is a competitor to Canva, and they just recently released the remove background feature. This is on the browser. They have a app for iOS and Android, and I don't think that the black background removal is on the app, but you can do it on a browser-based device. So if you have an iPad, you'll be able to do it as well, or Android tablet. So let's jump right in. I'm going to do a Facebook post, and I am going to, let's see, select something with the person in it. Let's get this young lady. We're going to click here and hit remove background. So once it gets close to 100%, this is going to process, and the background is removed, and you can move the young lady around. I'm going to go and click on background and go to patterns, and I'm just going to do a random background. This is like some people working out, and there you go. So now you have that. You can move her around anywhere on the canvas, and that's that. So what I'm going to do next is just delete everybody out of here. I'm going to, instead of just going back and selecting another post type, we'll just go this route. And I'm going to use an existing photo. And let's go to my files, and I'm going to upload a picture from unsplash.com. So once you upload that in my files, hit upload image, and then here's my image. And this image is from Unsplash, and it's from Larry Creighton. So I'm going to give the photographer his credit. And what I'm going to do is enlarge this so you can see. And we'll just go here. And we will remove the background from this just to see how well it removes the background from pictures that I just randomly selected from off the web. And you may want to use stock free images on a project. Let's see what Crello does with removing this background. Let's let it process. And it's still working. Here is the picture, and it did leave, as you can see here, some of the bench that they were sitting on. And so it's not perfect by any means, but you could easily, reposition, where you want to put the picture and then add a suitable background. And we could do something like, this, which is more square that way, but you get the gist. Let's try another one just for the sake of it. I'm going to upload another file that has a lot of things going on in the background to see if or how well it removes the background. I'm going to let it process. And so that background is removed. And if we wanted to put, a type of pattern of some sort back here, we could try to find something that's decent. Something that'll work for this. And I'll just get something random since this isn't a live project. So it brings in the background. I can bring them up larger, and there you go. And if this was some other type of background that I want to bring in from somewhere else, I could bring that in through my files and upload it. And there you go.